Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. Today we're looking at Rizap Gyu salad or beef salad. This is a high protein, low calorie salad that we've based off of Yoshinoya, a fast food chain here in Japan. This is perfect for any gym junkie. So let's dive in. Start off by shredding a bunch of cabbage. And by a bunch, I mean a whole half a head. This is going to be the base of your salad, so pop in some water and set aside for later. Now let's move on to the carrot. Slice into thin slices and then again vertically. And shred these puppies up. These will also make up the bulk of your salad, so chop up a bunch. And set aside. Grab one standard sized tiny tree. And then chop into a bunch of little trees, so you're ready to boil them. Set aside. Grab half a white onion and thinly slice. These will go in the pan later. Lastly, rinse out all of the water of a small can of beans. And that's it, let's move over to the flame. Start off by boiling up a pot of water. Add in your tiny trees, along with 2 big handfuls of frozen prawns. Then boil until cooked through and strain. Now let's quickly make some dashi stock. Bring out your coffee filter and coffee filter paper, fill up with bonito flakes, and pour over boiling water. You'll actually only need 300 ml of this dashi stock. But to keep on the safe side, let's make 500 ml. Keep an eye on the colour that's coming out the bottom. If it's not piss water coloured enough, you should probably add more bonito flakes. But then again, tomato. Now our dashi stock is ready, let's move back to the flame. This time we're going to boil up some water, add in some salt, and add in our chicken strips. Let it boil for a minute while doing a drum solo, and then once your set is over, set it aside. Now it's time for the beef part of our beef salad. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil, and warm that baby up over a high heat. Make sure that the pan is fully coated in oil. Add in your slices of onion, get everybody nice and sweaty, and once they've gotten a little bit see-through, and add in your beef. Add a mixity mix through here to get everybody nice and brown. Add in the dashi stock, bring to the boil and add 3 tablespoons of sake, because who doesn't like a bit of sake? This is along with, and 3 tablespoons of mirin. Sweet and savoury, along with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, salty boy, and lastly a teaspoon of weiba, or Chinese chicken stock. Forge on ahead simmering even though it's blurry, and then simmer till everyone's nice and brown. And that's it! Now for the finishing touches before we plate up. Chop up your boiled chicken into small bite-sized pieces, and then pop aside because it's time to make our dressing. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of ponzu, and then half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of vinegar, and then a half of sesame oil. And then on top of all that, sprinkle in some roasted sesame seeds. Now here's a quick aside on how to make a poached egg in the microwave. In a small microwave-safe cup, crack in 1 egg, get rid of any sneaky shells that snuck in there, add a small amount of water, and then cook on high for 40 seconds. While that's cooking away, add your shredded carrot and cabbage, and let's assemble the top of our salad. Place in a bunch of broccoli, protein and mineral rich, a good amount of prawns, line them all up so they're nice and pink on the top, because who doesn't want a little seafood? Add in a good couple of tablespoons of mixed beans, and then a good couple of chopstickfuls of your beef and onions. Forget to leave room for your other ingredients, so slowly move it off to the side. Now grab an avocado, make sure to do this part right before serving, so you don't get any discoloration. Chop it in half, and then slice it and dice it, and then carefully place into your bowl. Who needs your tired avocado toast when you've got this salad? Almost forget your chicken, pile a few pieces on there. Now once they're all beautifully stacked, get rid of any excess water and carefully slide on your poached egg. Get it ready for Instagram, ladies. Today's drink of choice is Sapporo Gold Star. This is only available up here in Hokkaido, so you're gonna have to travel for it. One last thing before you tuck in there, remember to give a good drizzle of your dressing on top. Alrighty, time for a taste test. This salad has a lot of components, but my god, is it amazing. Rizap is actually a personal fitness training company, and they worked with Yoshinoya to make this high protein and low carb, low calorie salad. So you know that this is getting 10 out of 10 for both healthy and tasty. For 500 yen in stores, this is a pretty good deal. However, if you can make it at home, all the better, right? Usually the entire bottom of this bowl is filled to the brim with rice. However, just by filling it up with cabbage and carrots, you get a nice filling meal for a fraction of the calories. And maybe if you are on a diet, don't drink the beer along with it. You can always take one of the non-alcoholic options, or even better, water. So if you're looking to just eat a little bit healthier, why not have a go at this? I think it's time for myself to grab a bowl. Till next time!